Hi, Simon here from Gold Coast Solar Power Solutions, and today we have a Zeversolar inverter. This one is a Eversol TL2000, and it's coming up with an error code which you'll see very shortly as it goes through the checking period. So just as a countdown, a 60-second countdown, and then we'll show the fault it's been coming up with. Okay, there we have it, error code 3. So if you have a look in the Zeversolar inverter manual, you'll find that the error code 3 is a permanent error with the Zeversolar inverter. So it's not an error that you want to see on your inverter. Now there's a couple of things that you can try, and the main one is just trying to do a reboot of the system. So to do that, it's always important that you follow the correct shutdown procedure, which should be something like this over here. Turn off the solar supply main switch or the inverter AC isolator. The solar supply main switch is located in your switchboard. You may or may not have an inverter AC isolator, but this is an inverter AC isolator here, so we're just going to throw that off, and you'll see the inverter comes up with error code 35 now, which means it's not detecting power from the grid, not detecting any AC power. And then we have to turn off the PV array DC isolator located at the inverter, which is over this side. And you should see the inverter, after a few seconds, go completely blank, just like so. Then the manual recommends that you leave the inverter off for 3 minutes, and then you attempt a reboot of the system and see if it clears the error code 3 message. So we're just going to fast forward now 3 minutes, and we will. Okay, so here we are again, and so we're just going to do a startup of the inverter. Now the startup of inverter is never as important as the shutdown procedure, so you just need to turn everything back on. So we're just going to throw the DC back on and the AC back on, and then we're going to go through a 60-second startup period again as the inverter just starts up. So now if you do attempt this reboot and it's still coming up with the error code 3 and your inverter is within the 5-year warranty period, it is something which will be covered under Zeversolar's manufacturer's warranty. A couple of things you will need to make a warranty claim is proof of purchase of the inverter. You will need the inverter model, which can be found on the data plate on the side here. As you can see, in this case, it's a Eversol TL2000-20, and you'll also need the serial number of the inverter, which can be found on a sticker like so, a bit lower down. So how are we going here? We're continuing our countdown, 13 seconds to go. Okay, there you go. It's an error code 3. So again, rebooting the system hasn't sorted out the issue, so it's a permanent error. It is going to be replaced under warranty in this case. If your inverter is outside of the 5-year warranty period and you are having an error code 3 like this, we'd recommend that you replace the inverter with a good quality new unit which has a full warranty. You can get it repaired, but there's no point in really spending good money getting it repaired if it's outside of warranty, because it could fall over the next day and you're up for more money. You're better off spending a bit more money getting a brand new inverter with a good manufacturer's warranty to cover you for the years to come. So look, I'm sorry to hear that you've got a error code 3 on your inverter. Hopefully the reboot has sorted out, but if not, get in contact with Zeversolar or your local solar accredited installer, and they'll be able to help you further. Thanks for watching this video. I hope it's been helpful for you.